How to install a ceiling-mounted cubicle track. Tools required. Identify your type of ceiling: suspended ceiling, gypsum board, or recessed metal grid. Ceiling-mounted track hardware. Lay the track on the floor under where it will be installed. Place the end gate on the track end next to the wall and secure the first screw through the center opening of the track. Make sure the screw is straight and flush. Slide the connector halfway onto the open end of the track, then slide the next piece of track through the connector until both pieces of track are touching firmly and secure with the next screw. The last piece of track is installed with the end cap to keep the carriers in place. Remove the plastic filler cap from the end gate and slide carriers into the open channel. Reinstall the filler cap and you're ready to hang your new curtains. For more information, contact us at 800-588-9296.